Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we'll dive into two powerful functions that help you find the maximum value in your data, Excel's max function and MaxIfs function. Alright, let's start with the max function. Max is your go-to tool when you want to find the highest value in a range of numbers. It's like finding the top dog in a pack. To find the highest sales figure, we use the max function. Simply type =, followed by a max, and then select the range of sales figures. So the formula will look like this, =max, and then select column B2 through B5. And voila! Excel automatically calculates the maximum value, which in this case is $700 in the month of April. See how easy it is to use the max function? But wait, there's more. Let me introduce you to its big brother, the MaxIfs function. MaxIfs is like the max function, but on steroids. It allows you to find the highest value that meets specific criteria. It's like a high-tech filter for your data. Let's dive into another example. Say we have a list of salespeople and their corresponding sales figures. Now, suppose we want to find the highest sales made by Alice. We can use the MaxIfs function for that. Here's how it's done. Here is the salesperson list and their sales figures. =MaxIfs, first select max range B8 through B11. Comma and criteria range 1, which is going to be column A8 through A11. And finally, the last criteria in this case is Alice. And bam! Excel looks for all the sales figures under Alice and gives us the maximum value, which is $550. Impressive, right? But wait, there's one more thing. You can use multiple criteria with MaxIfs too. For example, we can find the highest sales made by Bob in February. The formula would look like this. =MaxIfs, select column C14 through C17 where all the sales totals listed. Comma. And we select criteria range 1, which is column B14 through B17. Next criteria 1, which is February. Now we select the criteria range 2, column A14 through A17. Comma and criteria 2, which is Bob. And there you have it. Excel combines both criteria and gives us the maximum sales made by Bob in February, which is $700. So, whether you need the highest value in a range or the highest value based on specific criteria, Max and MaxIfs have got your back. That wraps up today's Excel masterclass. I hope you enjoyed learning about Max and MaxIfs functions. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to get notified about more exciting Excel tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and excelling.